High pressure settles in our neighborhood Wednesday night, providing one more comfortable night for June. A frontal boundary will set out shop from southeast to northwest across Thanksgiving Thursday night into Saturday. Showers and eventually storms may ride southeast along this boundary. Despite more clouds and chance of rain, temperatures should are expected to become warmer.
Very good sound quality. Yeah, I can barely make out what it's saying.
Chances for valley fog overnight will exist for the next couple of days. High temperatures on Wednesday will be in the 70s for most, with some of the higher elevations remaining in the 60s. Gradual patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. West winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny.
Like, you can do about anything, it's gonna sound this bad. I've seen another video of this. On YouTube. Pretty really nice.
Forecast for the Greenbrier.
So in the meantime, I'm gonna be using the WXM72, which, so yeah.